Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started one Telegram group and the link I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And coming to the present content, here we are going to see the assistant professor as well as the lecturer recruitment notification from the two colleges. Okay, and here the opportunity is there for the UG, PG, UGSNet or the PhD qualified candidates. So we will see the details. So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy Electronic Science as well as a General Paper 1 educator. So we will see one small announcement. The candidates who are waiting for the UGCNet Electronic Science complete course. So here from Feb 1st 2021 onwards for the new batch, the course is going to start from the Unacademy. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, guys. So here the different subscription plans are mentioned on the screen. You may take any one of the subscription plan based upon when you are planning to write the exam. And here my referral code is also mentioned, that is Ashwani K. Okay, if you want to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plans, then you may use my referral code. Now, while coming to the present content of the video, here the first college is RGM College of Engineering and Technology. So it is autonomous college from Kurnool district. Okay, so wanted the professor, associate, senior and the junior assistant professors in CSE, EC and English departments. The qualification required is doctoral degree from ISC, IITs, NITs, reputed foreign and Indian universities. The qualification, experience and scale of pay are as per the 7th pay recommendations. So assistant professor in the Department of Training and Placement to teach aptitude, foreign and foreign languages like the French, Spanish and German as per the 6th pay scales. So salary will not be constrained for the exceptional candidates, and applications you can download from the college website. So here the college website is mentioned, that is rgmcet.edu.in, and filled in application with the proof of educational qualifications can be sent to the below mentioned email ID, that is rgmgroupnandyal@gmail.com on or before 27th Jan 2021. So it is the one notification. And coming to the second one is wanted the degree college lecturers in the department maths, computers, artificial intelligence, commerce, microbiology, digital marketing, physics, statistics, data sciences, management, biochemistry, English, chemistry, electronics, animation, forensic science, biotechnology and Telugu. So arithmetic, reasoning and soft skills also required. And librarians, lab demonstrators for all science labs and the hardware technicians for computer labs. Okay, and here the interviews will be conducted at the Visakhapatnam, Kakinada and Vijayawada. So the interested candidates may send their resume to the career@aditya.ac.in within 5 days. So still the time is there, guys. So if you are watching this video today, okay, then you can apply within the 2 to 3 days. Okay, just send your resume to the mentioned mail ID there, and it is Aditya Degree Colleges. And here the contact numbers are also there. If you are having any queries regarding the qualification or something else, then you may contact these numbers. So 0884 237 6665, and the cell number is also mentioned 970437667. Okay, so these are the two notifications, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities. And for more notifications, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGCNet exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys.
Hi friends, my name is Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGCNet candidates who are preparing for the UGCNet exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGCNet paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards. And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, So how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not. So these are the different subscription plans, guys. That means for 1 month, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months and 24 months. So depending upon your goal, that means when you want to write the exam, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans that it is showing on your screens. But one thing is that if you are planning to take the subscription plan for both paper 1 as well as for the electronic science, then use my referral code, that is SWINIK, right? So it is my referral code, guys, ASWINIK, and you are going to get the 10% discount on any one of the subscription plan. Okay, so it is the information that I want to deliver from this video through my channel. And if you want to know about the previous courses feedbacks, that you can click down here. So these are all the dedications given by the previous batch students. So you may check down the different feedbacks here. Okay, so the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the 2021, so both the UGC NET paper 1 and the electronic science, so both these two courses will definitely helpful to you to crack the JRF. Fine, guys. So please share this information to your friends or colleagues who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in the next sessions. And all the best, guys. Thank you very much.